Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix CxUIUSvc high CPU usage in Windows 10, 11. First method is update audio and microphone driver. Second method is uninstall audio and microphone driver. Third method is change service settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.